Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to turn a plain set of numbers into a colorful visual map that instantly shows you what's hot and what's not, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a heat map in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to highlight trends, spot outliers, and bring your data to life, so let's jump right in. So let's start by assuming you already have your data ready to go in a Google Sheet. Maybe it's sales numbers, survey results, or website visits each day. Whatever it is, as long as it's in a neat block of numbers, you're set. Having your data prepped is kind of like setting the table before putting out the main course. Everything will go a lot smoother with a clean setup. Now the first step is to select the data you want to turn into a heat map. Simply click and drag with your mouse to highlight the entire set. Make sure you're only grabbing the cells you actually want to visualize. If you have headers like days of the week or months at the top, try to avoid including them in your selection unless you specifically want to style those too. Getting this selection right is important. It's the foundation for your heat map, so don't worry if it takes an extra second here to make sure you've got it all. Once your cells are selected, head up to the top menu and find Format. Click on that, and in the drop-down menu, look for Conditional Formatting. Go ahead and click on that option. What we're doing here is setting up rules that will automatically color your data based on the values inside each cell. It's kind of like telling Google Sheets, hey, show me with colors where my highest and lowest numbers are. With the Conditional Formatting sidebar now open on the right, you'll notice a few different options. Click on the Color Scale tab. This is where the real magic of heat mapping happens. Color scales let you smoothly transition from one color to another based on the value of each cell, so the trend jumps out visually. Now it's time to customize those colors and make things look like a true heat map. You'll see options to set colors for the minimum value, a midpoint like a percentile, and the maximum value. A classic heat map moves from light to dark, showing more intense or higher numbers in deeper colors. So for the maximum value, pick a nice deep color. I often like a strong red or blue depending on your data set, but honestly, you can get creative here. For the percentile or midpoint, go with a lighter shade. This helps create a smooth gradient effect. And finally, for the minimum value, choose the lightest color. Think pale yellow, light green, or even white. You don't have to stick to the classic red to green or blue gradients. Google Sheets gives you the freedom to get creative. If your report is going to be seen by others, maybe pick colors that fit your brand or are visually accessible for everyone. Once you're happy with your choices, take a moment to review how the colors look across your data. If something seems off, you can always tweak the color selections. When you're satisfied, just click Done, and there you have it. Your data is now a living, breathing heat map, making it much easier to spot trends or anomalies at a glance. And that's it, you've just turned a boring spreadsheet into a dynamic visual tool. If this walkthrough helped demystify the process, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share what you're using your heat map for, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.